Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to another Gamer Chase video where today making something so easy. It's only 3 ingredients. It's a recipe with 3 ingredients. Do you guys know what it is? Alright, so it's cake cookie mix. So you need cake, you need 2 eggs, and then you need 1/4 cup of oil. And I've seen Mindy Bingham from This Is How We Bingham make it, so shout out to them. And we're gonna see how this comes out, so yay! Alright, 1/4 cup of oil and 1 cake box mix. So I'm gonna put the oil in. Oh, ew, what the? Ah. 2 eggs. My God, it's actually trying to get the cookies, or cookie dough. No, I'm not making cake.
No matter the weather, wind, rain, or storms, Mother Nature never takes a day off, and neither does Leaf Guard. Let's face it, clock gutters can do damage from the roof to the foundation. Leaf Guard, the only secret one-piece rainwater management system with a clock.
Pre-oven to 350.
Wasn't me. I always claim them. You know that. So where's the cake?
So I'm actually going to do red velvet, but I'm going to try it for the first time. Mac, do you want to see it?
Get half off the amazing iPhone 11 on AT&T, America's fastest network for iPhone. Second tip, you can put googly eyes on your stuff to keep yourself company.
Oh my god.
That's Geraldo. He's my best
It looks like a brownie.
Oh, sorry, Nancy. I forgot you were there.
Get the amazing iPhone 11 for half off on AT&T, America's fastest network for iPhones.
Megan, it's me, Megan. I know. We were gonna win. Big hands. Yeah, other people's hands. But for right now,
Mm-hmm. I think I just found my favorite cookie recipe because this almost tastes exactly like a brownie. Thank you, Mindy's Best. Red velvet just came out of the oven, and got some here. Got stuff here. Baking Fantastical. I don't even know what I'm saying. Alright guys, this video was way overdue, but the cake cookies were amazing. I actually, since I recorded the video, have made multiple more. So anyways, hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more like this, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys on our next adventure of Gamer Chase. Bye!